In this set of videos, I'll show you how to draw this mechanical piece here, a chain link, if you will. The first video, I'll only have enough time to make the layers with proper color, line type, and line weights. So you might freeze this video and sketch down all the dimensions. We won't bother placing the dimensions, but copy this sketch or take a pic of it with your cell phone. Let's start a brand new drawing here. We'll click on a plus sign, and most likely it begins a ACAD.DWT blank drawing. We need to create 4 layers. Our object is, of course, going to be on a new layer named appropriately Object. Every company's got a different standard. For academic work, I say use green for the color for the object layer. And it's already continuous. We want it a little bit fatter than the default value, which I know is 0.25. You can change it. Let's change the line weight of the object layer to 0.5, so the lines on the object layer are going to print out twice as heavy as the red center lines will print out. Select the layer 0, and we'll rapidly make layers for center 2, and center x2. All 3 of these layers we want to be color red, so click on the word white and select the red from the menu and click OK. Now we don't want it continuous. You'd think you could click on continuous and up will pop a menu of all sorts of line types. So in a blank drawing you only get continuous. You need to load individual line types to make available in your drawing. Whether you use them or not, they'll be on the menu as available. So let's click line, scroll down, and holding the control button, I'll select the 3 flavors of center lines. Center for average, center 2 for small circles, center x2 for large circles. Click OK. That loads them in the drawing, but we still haven't assigned one yet to our layer. Layer's named center. Let's assign it the center line type. Click OK. With center layer selected, let's click the new layer. The new layer already is given a red color. Let's type a new name for it, say center 2 for small circles. Let's click on the word center of the line type and assign it the center 2 line type. Click OK. Click new again. Similarly, center capital X2 for the big circles. Click on the line type for the new layer, select center X2, click OK. So there we have our 4 new layers, 3 flavors of center lines. We'll only use a couple, but I think it's a good habit to build all 3 of them to begin with. An object that's going to print out a little fatter. Object layer is green. Let's set the object layer current and begin drawing our object on the object layer. So that's it for building the layers. Maybe pause this video and jot down these 4 new named layers. 3 of them are red layers for the various center lines for average, small, and large circles. Object should be left current, green, and fattened to 0.5 millimeters so it plots out on paper heavier than the red center lines. See you next video.